most women are trying to make money the masculine way. More hours, more pushing, more hustle. But rich women won't tell you that making money for women has nothing to do with how hard you work, and everything to do with leveraging your femininity, who you are, how you think, and how you show up. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about the feminine way to become wealthy. I've built a successful online business that allows me to get paid for who I am, how I think, and not how many hours I work. And one thing I've learned is that feminine wealth is about having a hands-off system where you make money in your sleep. It means having the right masculine structure that does 80% of the heavy lifting for you, so you only have to do 20% of the creative work that you actually love. And that's something that I wish I would have learned sooner, because in the beginning of my creative business, I was still trading for money. In fact, I was working longer hours than I did when I had a 9-to-5, because I was doing everything on my own. The creative side, which I absolutely love, of creating content, coming up with new ways of providing value to people. And then the heavy work, the behind the scenes work that nobody sees, sending emails, manually following up, sales calls, responding to queries. Not only was it exhausting, I actually wasn't making the type of money that I thought I would for the level of work that I was doing. And that's why I'm so excited to share more about GoHighLevel, who are kindly sponsoring this video. More on them in a moment. Let's first talk about the difference between the masculine and feminine way of making money, because this is where a lot of women get stuck. We have been conditioned from a young age through the educational system and the workforce that in order to make money and become wealthy, you have to trade time for money, be constantly launching a new product or service every few months, being everywhere all the time, over giving to prove your value. But that masculine approach of making money doesn't align with our physiological makeup and who we are as women. And that's why you find yourself in the same place year after year, no progress, frustrated and burnt out. If you actually want to see real wealth that's sustainable without working yourself to the ground, you need to adopt the feminine way of making money. Feminine wealth is created through attracting and not chasing, using your God-given gifts and realizing that you are the asset, being seen and showing up unapologetically, a business that works with your nervous system instead of against it. Feminine wealth is receptive, but receptivity requires a masculine structure. One of the reasons I can stay in my feminine energy whilst growing online is because my business is held by one system. I don't chase clients, I don't manually follow up, and I don't live in the DMs. And that's one of the biggest money leaks that I see. Women sending reminder messages, remembering who needs what, spending hours on discovery calls or sales calls for $100 service. This is where GoHighLevel comes in. GoHighLevel replaces what most women are using 5 to 7 different tools for, like email marketing, websites, landing pages, funnels, automated responses, and booking systems. Instead of trying to stitch all these tools together, everything just lives in one place. This alone saves me hours every week, but most importantly, saves and makes me money, because most tools do one thing really well, but they require you to be present, to understand how it works, to master it. You have to be the encoder, the copywriter, the administrator, and connect all of them together, which, as somebody who's been there, done that, it takes up so much time to do things that are necessary for the success of your business, but are things that you aren't that good at, or the reason why you've even started your creator journey or your business. GoHighLevel takes on all those roles entirely from you. It's not just a software, it's a feminine system. You go from being a worker in your business to being a businesswoman that your business is built around. And here's how it works in practice. When somebody discovers me from my YouTube video, Instagram, or TikTok, they are guided seamlessly into my ecosystem instead of getting lost. Follow-ups happen automatically without me checking in because I've created triggers behind the scenes. If somebody joins my newsletter, they will receive an email confirming that they have been added onto my email list. Or if somebody wants to receive my free Attract Don't Chase workbook, it will automatically be sent to their email without me manually having to do it. And when I launch my upcoming membership, people who sign up to the waiting list will be added into their own special tag. That way, all communication regarding my upcoming membership will be sent to them directly without bombarding the rest of my email list who are not interested in that. So potential clients feel seen, validated from the moment they enter my world. That way, they know that they're in the right place. When you're visible online, attention comes in waves. You might be visible on multiple platforms. You might get a viral video on your channel, on your Instagram, on your TikTok. So without the right system, that attention turns into money leaks, forgotten clients, missed messages, people who were initially interested but were lost into the abyss. GoHighLevel captures all this attention and guides it to where it needs to be. Someone watches your content, you pique their interest, they click your link, book a call, they receive nurturing, and they invest into your service or product, all without you having to be present in that moment. This is how you stop trading time for money. GoHighLevel automates follow-ups across emails and texts. That way no one slips through the cracks, which means you don't chase, you don't force, you're not constantly checking in and having the emotional labor of remembering who needs what. The feminine system follows up for you consistently, elegantly, and calmly. One elegant ecosystem instead of 10 disconnected tools. Resting in your feminine energy doesn't mean a lack of structure. It means having the right masculine structure that does 80% of the heavy lifting for you, so you only have to do 20% of the creative work that you actually love. A business that works with your nervous system instead of against it. Most women are trying to make money the masculine way. More hours, more pushing, more hustle. But rich women won't tell you that making money for women has nothing to do with how hard you work, and everything to do with leveraging your femininity, who you are, how you think, and how you show up. So if you want to build feminine wealth without working yourself to the ground, whilst also enjoying and living your life, I'll leave the link to try out GoHighLevel in the description box. And here's an extra bonus. When you use my link, you will get a 30-day trial instead of the standard 14 days. That way you have time to not only master the different features, but to also use it and see the results. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of how to use GoHighLevel features that you need, make sure you watch this video. Like this video if you want to see more videos on femininity and money. Subscribe to the channel and I will see you back here in the next video. Mwah. Bye, lovelies.